Chapter 1. Conversations at the airport. Listen and practice.
Excuse me, is there an ATM nearby?
Yes, the ATM is on the first floor. Just take the escalator down and you'll find it on your right.
I'm also looking for a currency exchange. Where is it located?
The currency exchange is on the third floor, to the north of the check-in counters.
Could you tell me the current exchange rate for dollars to euros?
The current rate is $1 equals 0.90 euros.
Is there a fee for currency exchange?
Yes, there's a 2% fee.
Is there a souvenir shop in the airport?
Yes, there is. If you turn right down that hallway, you'll find the souvenir shop at the end.
Where is the smoking area?
The smoking area is on the basement level, B1.
Can I use Wi-Fi in the airport?
Absolutely, we offer free Wi-Fi throughout the airport.
Is there a medical center or a doctor in the airport?
There's a medical center on the fourth floor of Terminal 3.
I'm looking for a place to charge my laptop.
You can charge your laptop at the tables in the lounge area.
Is there somewhere I can buy a SIM card in the airport?
Yes, you can purchase one at the mobile phone store on the first floor.
Is there a play area for children?
Yes, there's a play area next to the restaurant on the first floor.
Where is the check-in counter?
The check-in counter is on the third floor. Please take the escalator up.
I'm lost. Where can I find the information center?
The information center is next to the central doors on the first floor.
Could you please speak a little more slowly?
I'm sorry about that. I'll speak more slowly.
I lost my passport and need to contact the embassy. Do you know their contact number?
Of course, let me check that for you. The embassy's contact number is 5958735. Chapter 2. A conversation between a traveler and an airline employee at the airport check-in counter. Listen and practice. Hello, where are you headed today?
Hi there. I'm flying from Seattle, connecting through Atlanta, and then on to Paris.
Could I see your passport, please?
Sure, here you go.
Thank you. Do you have any bags to check in?
Yes, I'd like to check the suitcase. Is it okay if it's under 23 kilograms?
Yes, as long as it's under 23 kilograms, that's fine. Could you place your suitcase on the scale, please?
Of course. By the way, do I need to collect my luggage in Atlanta during the layover?
No, your luggage will be checked through to Paris automatically.
That's good to know, thanks.
Here's your boarding pass.
Thank you.
Your gate is number 40, and boarding begins at 9:30 a.m.
Got it.
Is there anything else I can assist you with?
Yes, could I upgrade my seat from economy to business class?
I'm sorry, but we're fully booked today, so we can't offer an upgrade.
I see. In that case, could I switch from a window seat to an aisle seat?
Unfortunately, we're fully booked, so we can't change your seat either.
That's too bad, but I understand. Thank you.
Anything else you'd like to ask?
Is the flight on time so far?
Yes, there are no delays at the moment.
Great, thanks for letting me know.
You're welcome. Have a great trip.
Thank you.
Chapter 3. Conversation at the security checkpoint. Listen and practice. Do you have your passport and boarding pass? Please proceed to this line once you're ready.
Yes, I'm getting them ready now. Is this okay?
Yes, that's fine. Now, please scan your boarding pass here.
Got it.
Next, please remove your coat, jacket, belt, and any metal items like watches, and place them in the tray.
Understood. I'll remove them and place them in the tray.
Also, please empty your pockets, especially your phone and keys, and put them in the tray.
Sure, I put everything in the tray.
If you have any electronic devices like a laptop or tablet, please take them out of your bag and place them in the tray.
Yes, here's my laptop.
Thank you. Just a bit more. Now, we'll run your hand luggage through the X-ray machine.
Okay. Should I place my bag here?
Yes, please place it here.
I've placed all my hand luggage.
Thank you. Now, please go through the scanner.
All right.
Thank you. Once the inspection is complete, don't forget to retrieve your belongings.
I'll be careful to collect my items.
Have a great trip.
Thank you for your help.
Chapter 4. Conversation at Airport Immigration Control. Listen and practice. Next please.
Yes, here I am.
Where are you headed? What's the purpose of your trip?
I'm flying to Paris via Atlanta. It's a vacation.
How long will you be staying in Paris?
I plan to stay for a week.
Do you have a return ticket?
Yes, here it is.
Where will you be staying in Paris?
I'll be staying at Le Bristol, Paris.
How much cash are you carrying?
Around $2,000.
Are you carrying any prohibited items?
No, I'm not.
Are you traveling alone or with someone?
I'm traveling alone.
Is this your first time in France?
Yes, it's my first visit.
May I see your passport please?
Of course, here it is.
Do you have any special plans during your trip?
I'm looking forward to visiting museums.
Have you thought about getting any souvenirs?
I'm planning to buy some chocolate.
Is there anything you're concerned about?
No, nothing in particular.
Well then, have a safe and enjoyable trip.
Thank you very much.
Chapter 5. A conversation between a traveler and a flight attendant on an airplane. Listen and practice. Welcome aboard. Is there anything I can assist you with?
Yes, I'm a bit thirsty. Could I have some water, please?
Certainly. I'll bring you some water.
Thank you.
You're welcome. We're ready to serve meals now. Would you prefer chicken or fish?
I'll go with the chicken, please.
Sure thing. Here's your chicken meal.
This looks delicious. Thank you.
Enjoy your meal. Is there anything else I can help you with?
Actually, I'm feeling a bit cold. Could I have a blanket, please?
Of course. I'll get a blanket for you right away.
I appreciate it, thank you.
You're welcome. Is there anything else you need?
Yes, the audio on my seat's TV isn't working. Could you check it for me?
Let me take a look. It seems like the connection was loose. It should be working fine now.
The sound is back. Thank you so much.
I'm glad it's fixed. Do you have any other questions?
How much longer until we reach our destination?
We're about 5 hours away from landing.
Thanks. Will there be any turbulence along the way?
The forecast shows there might be a bit of turbulence, but nothing major.
That's reassuring. I'm feeling a little unwell though. Could I have some medicine?
Of course. Here's some medicine. Please take it with water.
Thank you. I'm feeling better already.
You're welcome. Don't hesitate to let me know if you need anything else.
Thank you very much.
Chapter 6. It is a conversation between an airport staff member and a traveler at Atlanta Airport, the transit point. Listen and practice.
I'm transiting through Atlanta to get to Paris. Where does my connecting flight depart from?
Your flight to Paris departs from Gate 15 in Terminal 3.
How do I get to Terminal 3?
You can take a shuttle bus between terminals. Just head down to the first floor and take the shuttle from bus stop 5.
I flew in from Seattle on a domestic flight and will be flying internationally to Paris. Do I need to go through security again?
Yes, since it's an international flight, you'll need to go through security again. It's a bit crowded right now, so I recommend heading there early.
I have some time before my connecting flight to Paris. Is there a cafe where I can wait?
There's a Starbucks on the 3rd floor where you can wait.
Thanks. Is there anywhere else you'd recommend besides Starbucks?
If you're hungry, there are also some restaurants in the terminal. There are places with great burgers and sandwiches.
That sounds good. One more thing, where can I use Wi-Fi?
The entire airport has free Wi-Fi. The network name is ATL Free Wi-Fi.
Got it. I have a lot of luggage. Is there a place where I can store it?
There's a luggage storage service in the basement of Terminal 1. You can take the shuttle to Terminal 1 and then take the escalator down to the basement.
That's helpful. Also, before heading to the gate, will I need to show my passport again?
Yes, you'll need to show your passport and boarding pass before boarding, so please have them ready before you go to the gate.
Understood. If my connecting time is short, can I get priority to go through faster?
If your connecting time is tight, you can ask a staff member, and they may assist you depending on the situation.
That's reassuring. Lastly, where can I check for any flight delays?
You can check for flight delays on the monitors throughout the terminal or through the airport app. Announcements are also made near the gates, so keep an ear out.
Thank you. I feel much more at ease now.
You're welcome. If you need any further assistance, feel free to ask.
Thank you. You've been very helpful.
Have a great trip. Chapter 7. Departing from Seattle and transiting through Atlanta Airport, the immigration check will take place at the destination, Paris Airport. Listen and practice. Next, please.
Yes, here you go.
What is the purpose of your visit to Paris?
Tourism.
How long will you be staying?
I plan to stay for a week.
Where will you be staying?
I'll be staying at the Hotel Lou Bristol Paris.
When are you planning to return?
I'll be returning in a week. Here's my return ticket.
What places do you plan to visit while in Paris?
I plan to visit the Arc de Triomphe and the Eiffel Tower.
Have you had any recent health issues or major illnesses?
Not at all.
Have you visited any other countries besides France recently?
No, I haven't.
Please show me your flight ticket and accommodation booking confirmation.
Sure, here are my flight ticket and hotel booking confirmation.
Do you have sufficient funds for this trip?
Yes, I have both a credit card and cash.
Do you plan to attend any special events while in Paris?
No, I don't have any special plans.
Do you have any additional luggage?
My carry-on and suitcase.
Do you have a contact number for your destination?
Yes, I have the hotel's contact number.
Are you covered by travel insurance for this trip?
Yes, I have travel insurance.
Thank you for answering all the questions. Have a nice trip.
Thank you.
Chapter 8. A conversation between a traveler and an airline staff member at the baggage claim area of an airport in Paris. Listen and practice.
I arrived in Paris from Atlanta, but which carousel should I go to for luggage from flight 487?
The carousel for that flight is number 56.
Thank you. I went to carousel 56, but I can't find my suitcase.
I see. Please go to the delayed baggage report desk and complete the necessary procedures.
Got it. Where is that desk located?
It's located at the end of the baggage claim area. Follow the signs.
Thanks. Once the procedure is complete, where will I collect my suitcase?
Once your suitcase is found, it will be delivered to the designated location.
I don't have the baggage claim receipt. Can I still proceed with the process?
Even without the receipt, you can proceed if you provide a form of identification.
Understood. How will I be notified if my suitcase is found?
If your suitcase is located, the airline will contact you by phone or email.
What happens if my suitcase isn't found?
It might have gone to another location or been left in Atlanta. In such cases, the airline will contact you later.
If my suitcase is found, will I receive a notification?
Yes, you will be contacted at the registered contact information as soon as it's found.
What if my suitcase has damage?
If there is damage, the airline will inspect it and initiate compensation procedures if necessary.
What evidence will be required in that case?
Photos of the suitcase and details of the damage will be helpful.
Got it. If the process takes a long time, will I be provided with alternative luggage?
Typically, no alternative luggage is provided, but some airlines may offer special measures.
Is there anything else I should be aware of?
It's a good idea to regularly contact the airline's customer service to check the status of your baggage.
Understood. Thank you.
You're welcome. If there's anything else I can assist with, please let me know. Chapter 9. A conversation between a traveler and a customs officer at the airport in Paris. Listen and practice. Hello. Welcome to France. Do you have anything to declare?
Yes, I have a large quantity of cigarettes.
I see. There might be some taxes on that. Is there anything else you need to declare?
I also have some food items.
Are those fresh foods or processed ones?
They include fresh foods.
Are they for personal use or commercial purposes?
They're for personal use.
Do you have any gifts or souvenirs with you?
Yes, I have a few gifts for my family.
Could you tell me what those gifts are?
Clothing and accessories.
Thank you. How much cash and credit cards do you have with you?
I have about $2,000 in cash.
Besides credit cards, do you have any traveler's checks?
No, I don't.
Is your trip for business purposes?
No, it's for tourism.
How long do you plan to stay?
Stay in Paris for a week.
Do you plan to visit any other countries during your stay?
No, I'll be staying within France.
All right. That's all for the customs check. Enjoy your stay.
Thank you.
Chapter 10. This will be a conversation between a traveler and airport staff about transportation options at the airport in Paris where the traveler has arrived. Listen and practice. Welcome. Is there anything I can help you with?
Yes, how can I get to downtown Paris?
You can either take the train or the bus. Which would you prefer?
I'd like to take the train to downtown Paris. Where is the station?
The station is underground. You can find it by taking the escalator down.
Where can I buy a train ticket?
There are ticket vending machines at the station, or you can purchase one at the information desk.
All right. And I'm staying at the Le Bristol Paris Hotel. What's the best way to get there?
For that hotel, take the train to the central station, then you can either walk or take a taxi from there.
I understand. And, I'd like to exchange some money. Where is the currency exchange?
The currency exchange is on the right side of the arrivals lobby.
Got it. And, I need to use the restroom. Where is it located?
Just go straight down this hallway, and you'll see it on your right.
I got it. Sorry for asking so many questions, but where is the information center?
It's on the first floor of this Terminal 1. Would you like me to guide you there?
It's okay. I can go there by myself. And how can I access the Wi-Fi in the airport?
The Wi-Fi is free. Just select Airport Free Wi-Fi when you connect.
I understand. And I have a lot of luggage to carry. Are the airport carts free?
Yes, they're free to use. There's a cart station nearby.
Thank you. You've been very helpful.
You're welcome. Enjoy your stay.
Thank you.
今回は以上となります。おすすめのオンライン英会話や英会話スクールを紹介しているブログもありますので、ぜひ読んでみてくださいね。